Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. As you know that we are on chapter 8th preposition. I had explained you this chapter. Today we will do exercise of this chapter. So please take out page number 64. Study the pictures. Underline the correct preposition in the brackets. Mambu the magician took off his hat and revealed a little rabbit below inside it. So the correct answer is inside. So we will underline it. Mambu tugged at the handkerchief off in his pocket. So correct preposition is in. Then he pulled and pulled as a never-ending string of handkerchiefs appeared from his pocket. So from is correct answer. Mambu did wonderful tricks with a deck of cards. He could flip them from hand to hand so they seemed to be floating in the air. Next, the magician spread a cloth over an empty table. After saying some magic words, he pulled the cloth off by the table. So off is the correct answer. There was a cooing pigeon. I really wonder how he did this one. He just looked at a spoon for a few moments and it bent in half. Mambu's final trick was spectacular. He made a member among of the audience fall asleep. So off is the correct answer. Rise in the air and then pass through between a giant ring. So throw is the correct answer. Exercise B. Circle the preposition in this poem. We will circle the correct preposition. We will circle the preposition in this exercise. The children ran around the swings. Around is the preposition, so we'll circle it. And through the park. We'll circle through. Between the bushes. So between again preposition. And among. Among is also preposition. The people. Behind the trees and up the hill. Behind and up we will circle it because they are preposition. They went past the ship, down the hill and across the lawns. Down and across are the preposition. Straight into their homes. Into is the preposition. In time for dinner and a good sleep. In and for are prepositions, so we will circle it. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition from the brackets. We always have holidays on in May. So the correct answer is in. Nina found her old doll, under the bed. Under is the correct answer. Which month lies among between July and September? So between is the correct answer. Anup is outside playing with his sister. The moon was hidden behind the clouds. Will you come with me to the market? My cousin lives in Port Blair. Walk across the road and you will see the palace. Chitman dived dash the river. Into or on. So correct answer is into the river. Uma is writing a letter to her grandmother. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition from the box. Use each word only once. My grandmother walked home dash the market. So from this bracket we will use from the market. Pour the custard over the walnut cake. Meghna has a small scar just below her left eyebrow. Raman dreamt that he was flying in the sky. We could see dark clouds rolling in over the hills. The puppy hit the ball under the pile of leaves. Maharashtra lies between Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. I usually sit beside my friend Aisha in class. Can you please carry this bag for me? Exercise E. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. I will meet you near the gate. Meher enjoys traveling dash the metro. So on is the correct preposition. So Meher enjoys traveling on the metro. These paintings are by a famous artist. Are you going to the concert this afternoon? The squirrel hid the nuts inside the tree trunk. Nina sat on the chair while Jane stood beside her. Draw a line across the paper. The baby is asleep in her crib. My ballot had fallen dash the sofa behind. So behind the sofa. Have you seen the banyan tree down the road? Dear students, today we had completed the exercise of this chapter. So please revise the definition and exercise of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.